Okay, everyone's probably thinking, why am I doing this video? Anyway, I was in Chicago and I walked into the old famous diner, the Cheesecake Factory on the magnificent mile, the Michigan Avenue. Cheesecake Factory there, and had a salad. It was $17.78 inclusive of the tax. Well, the salad was lousy, so I actually wrote a feedback comment on Chicago's Cheesecake Factory and how the staff were uninterested and the whole experience that I had, which was terrible. It was quite late in the evening, yet on the 1st of July, 4 days to the Independence Day, and here I am on the 20th. I'm getting an email from the store manager saying that it was unexpected and would apologize, and on top of that they were grateful for my feedback as a compliment of goodwill for me to experience the all high quality and high standard of dining. They sent me an email followed by another email stating that they have included an gift voucher for Cheesecake Factory, which I clicked on that email and it opened up a new page, and all I had to do was to confirm with my email, and then it opened up and it showed all the details, and all I had to do was call it up and there we go. Add to the collection. Nice Cheesecake Factory treat. This time they've got it right. In Chicago, it was a very poor experience. Superfood salad with salmon, crushed almonds. I've actually walked to this place. It's about 5 kilometers, about 3.5 miles from where I'm staying. Limoncello cheesecake, just to finish. Yes, so I made a upward feedback with regards to how food should be served at Cheesecake Factory, and they did acknowledge sincerely and send me a gift voucher, which you will see how I redeemed it online. Gift voucher for $10, and I went and spent much more this time.